Man, that dog's gonna pull you over. I brought you a regular leash because I saw you walking around with that one.
No, thank you. I don't want that. This is actually a leash that I got that makes me more in control while walking him.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How does that make you more in control?
Just because of my body weight, instead of just using my arm and him dragging me along, I can pull back on this, and then he'll pull back too.
Oh, nice. And it's got 2 hoops for you to grab?
Yep, there's 2 little handles right here. So if I needed to pull him back for whatever reason, then I could too.
You're such a cute dog, too.
Thank you.
So where'd you get the leash at?
I got it off the TikTok shop. They had a lot of different colors. It comes in a fancy little pouch.
Nice.
And I can send you the link if you want to check it out.
Yeah, absolutely.